喂，提醒聽日考 reading 嘅你，唔該你注意以下幾點。第一咧，如果人哋問你 What is your name， 你就唔好答 My name is Peter Chan， 就咁寫 Peter Chan 就 OK 㗎啦，無謂嘥時間。第二樣嘢就係先睇 question one， 跟住再揾個答案出嚟，然之後再睇 question two， 然之後又再去揾個答案出嚟。通常都順住落嘅，睇完第一段睇第二段啦。咁如果佢冇問 paragraph 3， 你就無啦啦走去睇 paragraph 3，咁你咪嘥時間咯。你睇緊嗰段文章嘅時候，如果見到啲特別嘅人名，譬如William Henderson 咁，唔該你圈住佢啊。佢最中意喺嗰一 part 最尾嘅部分，無啦啦就整幾句名言出嚟問下你，喂係邊個講㗎？咁你咪即刻睇住圈咗嗰啲名，咪可以好快揾翻出嚟咯。到最後唔該你 check 嗰啲 tense 啊，譬如如果條問題問你When were you born？ 人哋係用 were 嘅喎 past tense 啊，你就唔好寫 I am born in Hong Kong 啊，I was born in Hong Kong 啊，check tense 啊。